lot of money.
What's up,
You guys,
Who wants me to make everybody talkie?
What
I'm
are they
saving
talking
these two.
Today we're just gonna explain some animal
Anybody?
company
I can
Talkies,
duplicate them.
talkies.
So why you want?
Yeah, but I'm like
Yeah.
Anybody want
4'4".
talkies?
Because I just
Like
New
4.
and fresh talkies.
Bruh.
But can you show me how to do?
Are you guys selling talkies or?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's duplicating. Oh, he's not duplicating.
No, I'm not doing.
So
It looks like he's
you
doing-
get
I'm-
dynamite, and you just
He's
light it up,
killing-
you turn off your Wi-Fi, you die, your friend grabs your bag,
Is this
and
a
then
no
you just load
PvP?
back in and you get it back.
You know what? You
Yes,
are
no
actually
PvP.
telling the truth.
I'm
because I
making-
watched-
Everybody, I'm making talkies.
That's not talkies. That's not talkies.
Talkie.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
Wait.
Run.
If you turn off your.
Bruh. Is that what talkies look like to people? That looks like dynamite to me.
On the back, so you can go crazy.
Anybody want to trade a pumpkin for a sticky bomb?
A pumpkin for a sticky bomb. I got you, bruh.
Green light, red light, green light.
No, a
Turn
mini
around,
pumpkin.
turn around.
A mini
Not a
bomb?
big pumpkin.
Here you
No,
go.
a mini pumpkin. That's not a sticky bomb.
Hey, no, you
Well,
ain't
too
gonna do it
bad.
like that, bro. You ain't gonna do it.
I'm doing
Bro,
it.
stop it, actually.
What the? No.
Alright.
Oh wait, I forgot about that.
Get to work.
He wants to be an iPad kid.
Oh my god, it's a grenade.
I got a blicky, bro.
Hey, go
I got a blicky.
I'm literally just gonna bring a flashlight and try to do a haunted run. Bruh. Because they patched
Wait,
patched
does anyone
the
have
Ender
the-
Pearl thing, so now we have to go through legitimately.
1 second. I gotta do something real quick.
Bruh. Ogres. Ogres over there.
Blue.
Kinda like don't know where haunted is. Yo, does anybody know where haunted is?
We're going to cave.
Oh. Is cave when he says caves, is he talking about Armstrong? Probably. Oh god.
He's back. I'm coming.
Bruh. You cannot be for real. I am so for real. No, someone's been here. If I die,
Alright,
you probably don't care, honestly.
I'm coming.
It's just Mona Lisa's.
Wait, I'm coming. Blue, wait for me.
Yo, which blue you talking to?
Talking about a light blue polar bear.
Okay. Yo, how did that
Where you
guy
at,
not
Blue?
blow up? Yo, I forget how creepy this is every time. Yo, this is actually making me hyperventilating laugh. Bruh. You can. Oh! I'm flashbanged. I hate that noise. Bruh, it's just like so loud in here, but like so quiet. And that is what messes with me.
Nice.
Oh, frick. Oh, no.
Nice. Good.
keep on getting so scared that I just like forget I'm recording.
Somebody's in here.
Wait, we should do the thing you don't want to play in Glendale.
Where the head's never actually jump scare me. Yo, who was here and like half open the doors? Is that a thing now? Can there be like open doors? That'd be cool. What's not cool is them patching.
Come on.
I gotta go. I've been accidentally whispering everything I've been saying. Bruh. You cannot be for real. I am so for real. Please. What the? You cannot be for real. What do you want? Yo, I'm actually so mad right now. Come and get me, boy! Come and get me! Bruh. I suck at this game.
Where you at?
Y'all wanna go over there?
I just got a key from Haunted Mansion and the key didn't work.
I got double crowbar. Y'all wanna go?
It's
Y'all wanna
good.
go?
I'll do it. You can trust me. You can trust me.
Let's go play this game
Trust
on
me. I'll
me.
put it on your back.
Yo, can
No,
someone
the
donate
keys-
something?
The keys don't work at Haunted Mansion.
Someone help me
The keys don't work.
here, please.
Please.
I'm just using
No,
Wi-Fi.
it's sticky.
Bruh.
That's it.
Hey,
No.
sir, do you have? I
Put it on my-
Yeah, I didn't know that could
Just
happen though. There were two of the ladies in Haunted Mansion just stacking there. When I met you in the summer.
Guys, help me. There's a
Oh
sausage
yeah, you didn't see that.
chasing me. Help me.
So
Help me.
we need cans.
Help.
I'm just gonna do that real quick.
Help.
Bum, 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 bum. When I met you in the summer, my heart said wow, wow, wow. When I met you in the summer. Hey, Green, are you a chill guy? Green, behind you. You're not gonna kill an ogre with balls. Oh my god. I'm trying to go find a can.
Yo,
Goodbye.
I'm coming. My balls. I killed him.
Whoa.
Yo,
Whoa.
give me that crate, bro. That little pig, give me that.
Use some balls to kill that ogre. Oh look, a light. Okay, I suck. Guys, subscribe and like if you think I suck at Animal Company. Why is the chicken right? Sir, are you sleeping right there?
Somebody got, bro.
Bruh, the chicken's so glitch. No! Help!
I just got a gold
Oh
bar.
my god! That felt sick. Bye, chicken. You suck. I need a can. That's not a can. I'm Red Watch. Ah! This video is going great. Hello?
Got to give everyone money.
Is he faking it? Bruh.
That, bro.
Epic fail.
Ray has the wiener, bro.
Stupid Tim.
Ray has the wiener.
Yo, dude.
At least I'm
looking for the
I'm
wrong
coming
color.
back to get my,
For the-
my book bag.
At least I'm not red watch anymore.
Look and
I
stay.
don't like the way it's down.
Ooh, a little toy.
Just stick your name.
Bruh. I'm dead.
No.
Stupid Timmy alert.
You just said stupid Timmy alert. Okay, noted. The round things are not toys. I'm gonna go on something really useful, okay? Okay, here we are. In the
Hey, stupid Timmy alert.
Bruh.
Yo, wait.
Yeah, guys, I love the tree tech. Oh my god.
Here. Yo, dude. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Cacao.
Bro, come. I think your bag's not here. It is. No worries.
No, that.
We gotta go up here.
I'm waiting for you on the
Why
other
is it so
side.
hard to
I don't
get to
see
it?
you. Actually, I
Bruh.
do I have to keep talking?
Yeah. I could get a lot of things for one skill token, but I'm gonna get the most useful thing. A football. It's only $99, okay? It's good.
Oh, so my backpack has crystals.
Who needs
especially
it?
blue ones. Backpack full of
Why did I just
blue
spend
crystals.
a day of my life on a skill token?
Yo!
Why did I
Yo,
just spend
Yo, what's up?
my daily skill token on something useless? There you go. Got it turned around. Bruh.
I'm at the green.
Let's go on my 300,000 now.
Okay. Yo, drop the flashlight. I know what you're doing.
Bro, look how rich I am.
Dang, you're 300K? That's a lot of money.
Yeah,
Wait,
come
you
on.
should sell yourself.
Nah. I have nothing on
Why are there so many toys? I mean, whoa. I only have the unlocked. Oh my.
I have balloons unlocked.
Is that in the toys section?
Balloons don't even make me float, because how heavy I am. Two balloons don't even make me float, because how heavy I am.
And then 4 will.
What do you mean the floor?
No,
He said
4. 4 balloons will.
Yeah, y'all, I'm a sell. I'm not the type of PK.
Try and make me float.
Crate.
Bro, do you want to come back?
Try and
I don't
make
know,
me
the
type of
balloons are
PK.
just
Got some
floating.
dreadlocks and
Yeah.
braids. Try and make me float.
Oh!
Can someone
You got
try and make me
robbed.
float?
Yo, how much
You got robbed. You got robbed. That's crazy.
Can someone try and make me float?
We need to make the safe zone go up.
think
So
I could
it's,
get double crossed.
we need to like make the safe zone fly. So it's up.
Guys, can somebody give me a big backpack? Can
Yo,
somebody
who
give
wants
me
to
a
play
backpack?
catch? Who wants to play catch, man?
Yeah, let's play
Can somebody
catch.
give me a big backpack?
We
Can
got big
somebody give me
balls
a
to
big
play catch.
backpack?
Let's play catch.
Can somebody give me a mid backpack?
No!
I got it.
Here, I'll go get
I'm
it.
football.
Hey, guys, you know I'm.
I called it. Don't do that.
No, I'm gonna try it out.
Where's the football?
Guys, I'm gonna buy myself some cigarettes.
They have those in the game.
No, you do this. This is how you do it.
Bro, are you gonna come back?
Come here. I know how to do something. So look,
Guys, I'm really fat.
if you hit
Oh, I
this,
have a couple
Guys, I'm
grapples
coming.
in this
Yo, what,
backpack on my
hit
back.
the
I have a
mouse.
couple.
Alright, wait.
Yo,
Only $23.
You want this? You want this?
Alright, we have your.
I can't hold it.
Huh?
I know money.
We have your backpack.
I can't see.
Thing out and it's
Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast.
someone
Hey,
get me out the
yo.
sky. Can't do anything to it.
Wait, hold up.
Did someone help me get out? I got myself a cigarette.
Hold up, let me get
Oh,
Don't ask
root
how.
beer.
let me help you.
How much money you got? Wait, can I dupe the key?
What am I
How
doing?
much money
I'm
is the
just
key worth?
walking around.
And this
Oh
guy
no,
gave me
Flynn,
this.
what does the key
Alright.
do?
Let's go dupe the key. Key's definitely worth a lot. It's
I
definitely
can't,
rare.
bro.
I gotta get to the
Why?
place.
Look
I'm
over
gonna end
there.
the video.
Send me behind.
No, wait, please let me dupe the key.
Okay, I'm almost there. Still coming? Yeah, I'm still coming. I'm almost there. Come back down. He's
Hold up.
Give me one.
alright.
Later.
Jerk off in the corner.
Connor
I'm
realized.
about
I
to.
buy you
Y'all give me a minute.
Okay, whatever.
Hey guys, guys,
I'm
how
not
much
gonna do
money do
something
you have?
stupid like
How
buy a
much
whole
money do you
so I
have?
can get to the place where.
How much?
wanna
Wait,
end
who
the
has the
video.
most money in this lobby?
I don't know, how much money do y'all have?
Alright, we made some money today. I didn't make it, but other people did, so that's fine.
Lost?
But thanks for watching this video. We're gonna wrap it up here.
I might be lost.
Bye.